Uh-oh, the sirens went back on, so we need to go back on programming. Also, the audio got muted because of the wireless emergency on my video. I'm sorry. The sirens just went on. Let's just hear the sirens. See how bad it is behind the window. Don't do this at home, guys. Look at that light show. Don't do this like I'm going to do. I really need the weather radio, so I can't. I tried for the audio muting, but it still counts as the EAS. Because the wireless supposed to muted my audio. That was what the problem was. Blame that. I'm gonna turn off the lights just because there's like 240 volts that comes in the house. The power's not out, don't worry. Sounds creepy. So when the power's not out, you can see KTV's on. Look at that light show. Like, this is dangerous. Don't do this at home, guys. That's a lot of damage from Bill Lambie. Not Bill Lambie, I mean Bill Swift. Bill Lambie will never say something like that. Mickey will say that. I'm gonna leave the lights off for right now. No power's out, but it's cool with the lights off sometimes with a light show. And creepy. So I'm gonna delete. I'm gonna do something really quickly. That's creepy. Also, I'm gonna turn on something really quickly. So the power's out. Are we peeing? Power's out. We're good.
We had that live look there out at West Dodge. This continues for parts of Potawatomi, Harris.
Trying to find the way to get 99.9 kg.
So be emailed or text and get notified. Loyalty days. Shadow Lake County.
This is a paid distract system, so the lights are off because of silence. Took 2 minutes and 56 seconds. I say 56 seconds. But we're leaving the lights off and seeing the light show. Look at that light show. But we have a bad light show in person. Don't do this at home. Hopefully our trees look. This is gonna be a remembrance day. Also, we are counting any EASs. Hold on a second. I'm gonna do something in settings. I will be right back. No. No.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Burt County, northwestern Washington County, central Dodge County, northwestern Saunders County until 6:30 a.m. At 5:45 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 3 miles northeast of Prague, or 12 miles northwest of Wahoo, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
This is EAS, new EAS level 4 with audio.
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
With a light showing
Expect
by.
wind damage to roofs.
Looks like I'm gonna speculate. If you have epilepsy, please do not watch this video.
Will be near Cedar Bluffs and Morris Bluff around 5:50 a.m. Fremont around 6 a.m.
At this part, because it's
5 a.m.
a lightning.
Other locations in the path of a severe
And the lights are
thunderstorm
off, and it can cause seizures.
For your protection, move to an interior
We
room
do
on the
understand that,
lowest
but I don't
floor
watch
of a
this
building.
video.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 06:30 a.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Burt, Dodge, Saunders, and Washington.
I'm gonna still be on KTV at least doing some of my mom's stuff.
It's about to be our turn coming in here, so thanks, Caitlin.
Thank you very much, Ainsley. And
I haven't
once
met
again,
Ainsley
beginning
before.
to see severe thunderstorm, not even just severe thunderstorm, we'll step it up a little bit. Destructive severe thunderstorm winds, and that is, you can see the label on this as I move this over here, a destructive severe thunderstorm warning in effect until 6:15. This is directly for the Omaha Metro. It is moving into our area right this moment. Do expect power outages. Do expect damage to homes and trees. If you're on the roads, move off, seek shelter right this moment. Now, we are expecting those power outages, as I just mentioned. Let's get a check in with where we are right now with OPPD power outages. Eddie and Anna, what can you tell us?
Yeah, as that storm, Caitlin, continues to roll on through, we're starting to see a couple more outages. Again, started there in Johnson County. There's still at 287, totaling now 496.
We might have to go downstairs. But I might stay up here with the lights off, and I know it's danger.
In Saunders, Douglas and Sarpy, I know, again.
This is not accurate. OPPD. Explain the light show. Our power's out and I. Just kidding. I stopped the lights. Because the TV will be already disabled. That's have a generator. Poor Beth, you need to plant. She's scared. Also didn't hydrate her enough. Anyways, that's it for this video.